Welcome to the AI Factory podcast, where we delve into the intricate relationship between artificial intelligence and the future of global power. Today, we're exploring a concept that's quietly reshaping our world: surveillance capitalism. So why should this topic matter to you? In an increasingly digital age, our lives are intertwined with technology. Understanding surveillance capitalism helps us grasp how our daily online interactions are being used, and how this impacts our autonomy and societal structures. Surveillance capitalism is an economic model where human experience is treated as a free raw material. This material is harvested and converted into profitable predictions of human behavior. The immense computational power of AI, initially designed for battlefield insights, is now being turned inward. It's focused on governing societies and influencing individual behavior. This shift has given rise to new models of economic accumulation and social control. At its core, surveillance capitalism is a new economic logic born from the digital world. It's a stark departure from traditional industrial capitalism, which exploited the natural world. Instead, surveillance capitalism exploits human nature itself. This system unilaterally claims human experience as free raw material for translation into behavioral data. Every click, like, search, and location ping is harvested, not just to improve a service, but to be processed by AI. This data is transformed into, quote, prediction products, highly profitable forecasts of what we will feel, think, and do. These products are then sold in new, quote, behavioral futures markets to customers, primarily advertisers, who are willing to pay for certainty about our future behavior. In this system, users of free services are not the customers, they are the sources of crucial surplus. The services themselves are merely hooks to lure users into this extractive operation. The excess data, termed behavioral surplus, is the foundational asset of this new economy. The ultimate ambition of surveillance capitalism extends beyond mere forecasting. The economic logic demands not just prediction, but certainty. This drives a critical shift from passive prediction to active actuation, the shaping and modification of human behavior to ensure predicted outcomes become reality. In this paradigm, the production of goods and services becomes secondary to a new means of behavioral modification. The goal is no longer just to know what you will do, but to automate you by steering your choices toward guaranteed commercial results. This is achieved through, quote, persuasive technology, systems designed to change user opinions, attitudes, or behaviors to meet the platform's goals. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook are prime examples. They are not neutral conduits. They are persuasive environments. Controlled experiments have shown that AI systems can learn and exploit vulnerabilities in human decision-making. Researchers have created AI that, through simple games, learned a participant's choice patterns and successfully guided them toward a specific, predetermined choice. While surveillance capitalism originated in the commercial West, its logic finds its most explicit expression in authoritarian states. China's social credit system, SCS, is the world's most ambitious case study in using data-driven rewards and punishments to govern social behavior. The SCS aims to build a culture of sincerity and trust, evaluating citizens and businesses based on financial records, legal compliance, and social behaviors. High scores bring benefits like easier loans. Low scores bring restrictions like travel ban. Understanding surveillance capitalism is crucial for navigating our digital future. It highlights the profound asymmetry of knowledge and power that exists in our online interactions. Being aware of these mechanisms empowers you to make more informed choices about your data and digital engagement. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of surveillance capitalism. We hope this episode has provided valuable insights into this complex and evolving phenomenon. If you found this discussion insightful, please consider subscribing to the AI Factory podcast for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence and its societal impact. For those eager to delve deeper, check out the book AI Factory: Architecting Global Supremacy, which provides a comprehensive look at these topics. The link is available in the video description below.